How's it going out there, YouTubers? This is Raul Nesbitt with another RC video. I'm super excited today because my buddy Noel went and picked up something super nice, super cool, and he's being super cool on letting me be the first one to unbox it here on my YouTube channel. Last time I brought you a video, we worked on my Slash 4x4. I did the PVC tires on there so we can get down on our drifting. Mucho fun. I had a lot of fun doing that. And of course, we always get down on my son's Rustler, always doing something with this bad boy right here, because that's what we do. We do stuff with RC cars. This is RC Talk. This is what I do. I love it. Anyways, I'm going to show you guys this bad boy right here. Boom, ba, ba, bam. There it is, the Yeti, the Score, the trophy truck, the 10 scale, 4-wheel drive, ready to go. Boom. Got it here at Hobby Barn. You know where it's at. You ain't gonna find it nowhere else in town right now, at least not here in Tucson. Anyways, let's get into this bad boy. Here it goes. Look at that bad boy. You ain't got an angle like this on any video that I've ever seen. Alright, check this out. This thing is a monster. It's a beast. And it's my favorite color. It's green. Super jealous of this thing. Look at that. We're going to put this off to the side for just a second, because I want to get into what else we got in the box first. So first we got here, we got the remote. Open this bad boy up. Wow, look at that. That's really nice. A Tactic remote here. Boom, boom. Everything all good. Probably just need to get some batteries for it. Nice. Let's see. What else we got in here? Wow, look at that. A bunch of extra parts. A whole bunch of extra parts. Got your tools in there. Oh, man. I'm jealous. I'm drooling right now. Anyways, get this off to the side for a second. What else we got in here? Of course, you got all your books, your manuals, and everything you need right there. Got some, probably got a couple stickers and stuff in there, hopefully. Nothing else. Look at this bad boy right here. Oh my God. I'm in RC heaven right now. We've got the MagnaFlow exhaust coming out here off the side. We've got the BF Goodwrench Baja TAKR2 tires right here. Got a spare one here in the back. Got a couple of fire extinguishers here in the back. Pretty cool. Got a couple of air vents here. Got a couple drivers inside the vehicle, if you guys can see them. Pretty good. Let me get a little front view here for you too. Also got yourself the bumper, of course. And man, this thing looks pretty awesome, pretty sleek, pretty dope. I'm pretty impressed with this. Here's the back end, as you can see. Got the spare tire. Check out that suspension. Oh my God. Here. Alright, let's break into this bad boy here. Take off this top. Got a couple of guys right here. Of course, I don't know if you can see that right there, but we got the detail on the panel board and the center panel. A couple guys in there. Check that out. That looks pretty cool. Take that part off. We'll get to the inner workings of this bad boy right here. We got an Axial Vanguard 3150 kV 3-pole brushless motor. We've also got an Axial Vanguard ESC waterproof that goes with that. A Tactic servo right here. Of course, you got your King shocks, your front and your rear. And then, of course, you've got a center drive shaft and the back end of the drive shaft. I love the sound of new rubber. Also, we got right here your tray for your battery to go into. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna do a little side-by-side comparison with my Slash 4. As you can see right here, about 3 inches longer than my Slash 4x4, because again, it's a little bit more to the 10th scale of an actual trophy truck. This thing is awesome. Well, thanks again for tuning in and watching me do one of my first unboxings here. I got to do it of this Axial Yeti 10 scale trophy truck. This thing is awesome. Can't wait to see my buddy get out there and do some crazy bashing. Anyway, stay tuned. I'll recap this with a little video footage so you guys can all see this thing in action. But stay tuned for more of my videos to come. Again, look me up on YouTube, Raul Nesbitt. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Later. Thanks for watching. More coming soon.